Hey friends, how's it going and welcome back to another video. So today we're starting off vlog style because I'm not going to be able to do this video in my normal filming room because I need the bathroom mirror. But basically today we are trying another heatless hairstyle. A while back I tried Curlformers. If you haven't seen that video, I'll have the thumbnail up here somewhere and I'll have the link to the video in the description. But a lot of you really enjoyed that video, so I thought I'd do another one. Today I'm going to be trying, I think they're called Flexi Rods. I got these ones off Shein. I think I got 2 packs of them, so I'm hoping it's gonna be enough. I have quite a lot of hair, so fingers crossed that I bought enough packets. But basically I'm going to jump in the shower, get my hair all wet because these heatless tools always work better on wet hair. I'm gonna attempt to find my hairspray, but I don't exactly know where it is. And then I will come back and we will start. I'm gonna be doing it in the bathroom this time because if you've seen the Curlformers video, I did it in my filming room. I hardly had any mirrors with me and that was my first mistake. It was so hard to see what I was doing. So yeah, let's get our hair wet and then I will be back. Okay, sorry about this lighting. I have never looked more unattractive in my life. It's gonna have to do. Okay, my hair's already drying, so we're gonna get started. Okay, so I just got out of the shower, so my hair is very wet. And I also just put some mousse in it. Just this one here, just to give it the best chance possible. Okay, so that's all that I've done to my hair. I really hope this works. Also, Big Brother is on in like 2 hours, so hopefully this is gonna take me like all night, but we'll see. So these are the 2 packets that I got. It doesn't look like very many, but I'm hoping because my hair is short and they're pretty thick. Hopefully I won't need all of these, but we'll see. I'll have these linked down below as well. They're just from Shein. And I've also just sectioned my hair just in half, just roughly, because I hate sectioning. Okay, these are like not the best quality. Like, it's gonna be hard to show, but the clip at the top is just like really flimsy and not the best quality. So hopefully that doesn't affect it too much. But basically, I think you just grab a section. And then I think I'm just gonna spray a little bit of hairspray. I'm using this one here, which is the only one I have at the moment, and it's like very strong, so. And then how do I fold this? I think you like fold it in half and fold that in half. I'm gonna spray just a tiny bit more hairspray. It's the ends, like the ends of the hair just don't want to stay in. Okay, I think that's the best I can do. It's very hard with short hair, and also my hair is drying so fast. But it doesn't feel the most secure, but like, I think it's okay. I don't know, we're just gonna keep going with it. Also, the reason I'm using mousse and hairspray is because I want to give this the best shot possible, and my hair is very straight and very stubborn, which is like half of me. I'm not very straight, but I'm very stubborn. So yeah, I want to give this the best shot possible, and I feel like if I just had water in my hair, it's just not going to do anything. So I'm taking this seriously to see if my stubborn hair will get this to work. We're going to go on with the next section. I'm just so paranoid I'm going to run out of these. So I'm going to start doing pretty big sections. I think this one's good. So hard with short hair. Okay, that one feels pretty loose. Oh, they went right in my ear. It's gonna be hard doing the back. Like, I can't really reach. Oh my god, the struggle is real. Oh, my fingers aren't long enough. Okay, the back is definitely very hard if you have short hair. This probably looks so bad on camera, but I promise it's the best I can do. Okay, we're just gonna ignore these back pieces because if I had help with me, it would be a lot easier, but by myself, they're just not sticking. Even if like I was by myself and I was doing this for like going out or something, I'd be fine just using a heat tool on that tiny bit of hair rather than my whole head. But yeah, it just doesn't work with the short pieces of hair. I don't know if I can do this without a mirror. Okay, spray. So when I'm folding them, I'm trying to really pinch the ends of my hair into it. So this is how we're looking so far. This one is very loose. It looks so messy. I promise I'm trying my hardest. So this is how we're looking. I'm leaving the back because it's just too hard. Now to do the top of my head, which is already like drying super fast because of the lights, so I've got to get a move on. Probably should have brushed through that, but oh well. Okay, these parts are so much easier. I'm going pretty fast actually. I thought this would take me a lot longer. Oh, I just realized I didn't put mousse in the top half of my hair. We'll have to see if that makes a difference. Completely forgot. I feel like that one was a good one. I mean, it looks ridiculous, but it feels the most secure. Okay, we're on to the last yellow one. So I'm actually really glad I got 2 packs. Oh, right in my eye. Ow. That was really stupid on my part. Okay, we're on to the second packet. Okay, that one's quite secure actually. Oh, again, right in my eye. What is wrong with me? I think I actually prefer the purple ones more. Like, I feel like they're just like folding easier. Okay, I think this might be the last section. Oh, this is really hard. I literally couldn't see then, so sorry if that looked like a hot mess. I feel like that's pretty good. The back of my head, I just haven't done because like I said, it's just way too hard. These longer pieces at the front are so much easier to do. If I had Zach here, my partner, I would get him to help me do the back, but I'm by myself except for my cats, but unfortunately my cats can't help me with this. So we're just gonna do this. Again, the top half was with no mousse but hairspray. The bottom half is with mousse and hairspray, so we'll see if that makes a difference. Also the top of my head, because of the lights, it dried pretty quickly, so we'll also see if that makes a difference. I'm gonna probably get my dryer out, give it a dry, maybe let the rest air dry, and then I will be back to show you the final results. Okay, the time has finally come. I've done my makeup, I've used my hairdryer on these, and they've also had a chance to air dry while I did my makeup, so I'm hoping they're gonna be set, but it's time to take them out. I'm gonna start at the bottom because I don't have much hope for them. Kind of hard to see because my hair's so dark, but that's what the first one's looking like. It's very wavy. There is a curl to it though. I'd say they're pretty much dry. That's pretty curled. I mean, it's not huge, but considering it was a big section and my hair is very stubborn, I think that's pretty good. Let's go this one. So that's the next one. Again, it's very wavy rather than curly. Let's just go this one. Oh my gosh, that's very curly. I think the hairspray definitely helped. This one's like stuck in my hair. I think I used too much hairspray. Ooh, that one's pretty. Yeah, my best advice, be careful with the hairspray because it's definitely sticking to the rubber. Oh my gosh, that's such a nice curl. Okay, my hair looks crazy right now. I'm just gonna fix it up a bit. Okay, so this is how we're looking. It's not super defined curls, but I wasn't really expecting it to be. It's so hard with my hair color, but there are some like very nice curls. So I'm just gonna like pick random pieces out. I don't know if you'll be able to see on camera, but it definitely has put a curl. I mean, there's some straight bits like that, but again, the sections I did were really big. I could have taken my time with it more and done smaller sections. But up here with my roots, it's really curled it. And like down near my ear, it's very curly. So there is a curl pattern to it. And I feel like the mousse and the hairspray really helped that. And because my hair's still a little bit, like a tiny bit damp, I'm just scrunching it slightly just to help those curls a little bit. So yeah, overall, I'm very impressed with these. Considering my hair is naturally bone straight, is that saying bone straight? Like dead straight. To have this much volume in my hair is literally crazy. And I feel like it looks a lot more natural than what it would if I was to use a hair straightener. It's made my hair very shiny. It's got a little bit of texture to it just because of the mousse, I'm assuming, and like a whole lot of hairspray. But again, I'm just so impressed, like at my roots. It's very wavy, very curly, which I'd struggle to get with a hair straightener because it's hard to get to your roots. And considering my roots were pretty dry before I put them in, that's pretty impressive. So yeah, this is the final outcome, the final look. Let me know in the comments what you thought, if you've tried these before. I think I'll definitely try them again and maybe get my partner to help me do the back and also use smaller sections. I used the whole pack of yellow ones, but I only used 2 of the purple ones, so I had heaps more that I could have used. Yeah, I think it's just hard because my hair was drying so fast, I sort of had to rush it, but if I really took my time with it and did smaller sections, I think I could get really nice curls. And again, if you let it just air dry, then it's completely heatless, which is so good for your hair, especially if you bleach your hair or dye it a lot like I do. But yeah, that's it for today's video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed it. I'm sorry I missed a couple of weeks uploading. I've been really busy. I've actually set up a new Etsy store and I also have a Redbubble store. They'll both be linked in the description box below. But I've spent so much time putting my artwork onto products and I've now finally got them all uploaded. The prices are up, everything, it's all done. I'm so happy. There's gonna be so many more designs and items coming soon, so make sure you follow my Instagram to get notified whenever new products come out. Also check out my shops in the description, I'd really appreciate it. But yeah, I will be back next week with another video. Bye!
Yeah, you know that I only roll with real ones, not the type to front or make me feel dumb. Cause I got aspirations, baby, real ones. So you know I can't